Good morning. This is your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Seeing things warm up nicely from the earlier morning briefing, sitting around 80 degrees at the moment, and seeing those winds pick up as well out of the southwest with our peak gust around 18 knots at the moment. In addition, seeing some increased high clouds as that upper level energy continues to approach the area from the west. We'll see a breezy to windy day today and a slight chance of a shower or storm during the late afternoon, early evening. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have a boundary sitting just south of the area, as well as a low pressure system off to the northwest that is associated with an upper level low and a surface boundary associated with some energy that was rotating around that. Again, that's what will bring us that chance of a light shower or storm as we get later in the day and into the evening hours. If we look at the upper level winds from this morning's sounding, we have mainly west southwesterly winds through the column, starting around 22 knots near the surface and gradually increasing up to a peak wind of 47 knots above 20,000 feet, and our freezing levels at 11,500 feet. If we look at the current visible satellite, we can see that cloud shield that is starting to move towards the area as it rotates around that upper level low. There are a few reports of light rain underneath this cloud shield, and that's likely what we'll see moving towards our area as we go through the day today. The better chance of rain will likely be north of the area, but can't rule out a slight chance of a shower storm getting going, potentially under this cloud shield or just behind it as we get later in the day. If you look at the short-term high-resolution model, see how those things play out as we go through the day. Again, expecting breezy to windy conditions, remaining dry through first part of the day today, and then as we get later in the day, likely past the 1600 local time frame, we'll see that bit of energy and that surface boundary start to move through the area. As you can see, a few isolated to widely scattered light showers, storms potentially pushing through the area, and that chance continues as we go into the early evening, and then as we get past the overnight time frame, start to see those chances diminish with some clouds starting to break as we get into the day on Thursday. We'll also see those winds diminish going into Thursday, and we should see a pretty nice and seasonable day for Thursday with mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions, no significant wind, just a slight breeze, and seasonable temperatures. But overall, dry conditions continue as we go into Thursday evening, as we can see some convection firing well south and southwest of the area, not expecting any impact from those showers and storms as we go in through our day on Thursday. If we zoom out, take a look at the longer-term forecast, looking at the European model here as we go into Friday. We'll see that upper level low has ejected off to the northeast. We'll see another upper level trough digging into the region. That's going to bring us a decent chance of seeing some scattered showers and storms as we go through the day on Friday. The probability of this has gradually increased over the last couple of days and will likely continue to do so as we approach the end of the week. So a good chance to see some scattered showers and storms through the day on Friday, and then as we go into our weekend, we should see things clearing up, setting up for a very nice weekend with some seasonable conditions and mainly partly cloudy conditions through the weekend. And then as we get towards the end of the weekend, the showers we're potentially looking at for late Sunday into Monday continue to gradually shift later in the time period here. So it looks like Sunday will remain dry, and then as we get into Monday, we'll have a chance for some afternoon, evening pop-up showers or storms, but it looks like that better chance of seeing some more widely scattered showers and storms will come as we go into Tuesday, as this broad area of disturbed weather moves over the southeast, potentially bringing some unsettled weather as we continue through at least the middle of the week next week. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, again, biggest threat today will be those winds at or above 25 knots, starting off with an orange risk this morning, gradually increasing to a red risk as we get into the afternoon hours, starting off southwest 10 to 15 knots, gusting up to 25 knots, and then potentially increasing to southwest 13 to 18 knots, gusting up to 30 knots for the later part of the afternoon. Otherwise, we'll see a warm day today, seeing temperatures capping out in the low to mid 80s this afternoon, and then as we go into the evening after that 1600 local time frame, we'll pick up that slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm, about 20% chance as we go through that late afternoon evening time frame. And we'll also see those winds start to calm down as we get past midnight with those rain and thunderstorm chances diminishing as well. And we'll slowly start to see those clouds breaking up as we get into the start of the day on Thursday, but we'll see our temperatures bottom out around 63 degrees for our Thursday morning. Right now, tides are running slightly above normal. As we go into Thursday, again, a nice day expected, mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions with just a slight breeze. We'll see our high around 80 degrees, but green conditions for our weather risk, and those green conditions will continue as we go into Thursday evening. With mostly clear to partly cloudy conditions, we'll have a slight chance of some patchy mist as we go into our Friday morning before sunrise. We'll see a low around 66 degrees, and as we go into Friday, again, we'll pick up that chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms with partly to mostly cloudy conditions with a high around 81. Looking at a yellow chance for that precip and lightning at the moment, again, we'll likely see that trend continue towards a higher risk as we approach the end of the week. If we look at the extended forecast going into the weekend, looks nice with mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions with seasonable temperatures around 80 degrees and seeing our lows around 63, 64 degrees for the weekend. And as we go into next week, starting off the week, not too bad with partly cloudy conditions, but we do have that slight chance of an afternoon shower storm with a high around 79 degrees. And then going into Tuesday, potentially seeing that pattern of some unsettled weather with some scattered showers and thunderstorms and breezy conditions with our high around 77 degrees. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.